The exposure triangle, part 1. The exposure triangle is the fundamental foundation of all photography and cinematography. Here's how you can use it quickly and simply. It's made up of 3 parts: ISO, shutter speed, and finally aperture. Each one of these controls the exposure or brightness of your image in some way, with each having its own unique effect on the overall look of your image. First, let's explain ISO and how it works. ISO is a word used to describe what is essentially the sensitivity or gain of the sensor in your camera. The higher the ISO number, the more sensitive your sensor is. So, a higher ISO means a brighter exposure. But higher ISOs come at a cost. The more sensitive your sensor is, the more it picks up things that aren't there. This is commonly referred to as noise, a type of digital grain that you get on your image. So ideally, we usually want to keep our ISO nice and low. In order to do this, we need to adjust the other 2 parts of the exposure triangle to compensate. Feel free to follow for more, because parts 2 and 3 will explain the rest of the triangle, and then you'll know how to use